We all know the struggle. You're doing 80 on the highway, the wind is screaming, and you can't hear your GPS, your music, or your riding buddy. You could spend hundreds on big-name brands, or you could check out this. This is the EDYELL motorcycle communication system. It promises noise cancellation, massive range, and waterproof durability, all while looking like it came from the future. But does it actually work? Let's find out. First off, the build. It's rocking an IP67 waterproof rating. I've ridden through unexpected downpours with this and it didn't even glitch. The buttons are large and glove-friendly, crucial when you're riding and don't want to fumble around. And we have to talk about the lighting. These RGB modes aren't just for show. At night, they actually make you more visible to cars around you. Safety meets style. But how does it sound? It's using Bluetooth 5.3, which means no lag and instant connection. The bass is surprisingly punchy for a helmet unit. The real star here is the CVC and DSP noise reduction. It actively filters out that annoying wind whistle and engine roar, so when you take a call, your mom won't even know you're doing 60 miles per hour on the bypass. For group rides, you get up to 1,000 meters of intercom range. Pairing is straightforward, and once you're locked in, the connection is solid. Plus, the battery is a beast. You're looking at long standby times, meaning you charge it once and it's good for your whole weekend trip. So, the verdict? If you want crystal clear audio, rain protection, and a headset that looks incredible on your lid, the EDYELL is the best bang for your buck right now. Check the link in the description to grab yours. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.